Hey everybody, I'm John Rourke, Editor-in-Chief of Phoenix Home and Garden Magazine, and I'm here to take you inside our June-July issue. Now this is our big summer issue, and it's all about remodels and renovations and color. We've got a beautiful cover for you. It's like candy on the newsstands. It features a home by Phoenix Home and Garden, Masters of the Southwest award-winning interior designer Julia Buckingham. And if you've ever met Julia, you know that her work is always fresh and fun and always colorful. You'll also find 6 additional homes that we've featured. Each one was reimagined in some way, including a former mining warehouse that is now a private home. And it's also the oldest standing structure in the town of Jerome. We've got a mid-century Scottsdale townhome that was taken down to the studs and completely transformed, making it bright and airy where it was once dark and cramped. We've got the gardens of a Biltmore-inspired estate that has evolved over the course of 20 years. And we've got a carefree hacienda that features multiple colorful gardens, and the sophisticated reworking of a vacation home in North Scottsdale. Also, the house that smiles, in which a relatively simple remodel brought a big transition to an unremarkable dated home. In front of the book, we've got more remodel and color inspiration for you. We've got Father's Day gift ideas. I'll look at Arizona's first 3D printed home for Habitat for Humanity, and an up-and-coming artist who creates colorful interpretations of Phoenix neighborhoods and landmarks. All of this and so much more is there to inspire you in the June-July issue of Phoenix Home and Garden, which is on newsstands now.